The world of 1000 LB Sisters has seen its fair share of jaw-dropping moments, but nothing could have prepared fans for the chilling and controversial outburst that erupted between Tammy and Amy Slayton. What started as a heated argument has spiraled into something far more alarming, with Tammy accusing her own sister Amy of being under what she describes as demonic influence. The shocking claim, made during a dramatic family confrontation that was caught partially on camera and witnessed by a few close sources, has stirred a storm in both the reality TV world and the Slayton family. As the sisters' relationship appears to be unraveling, fans are left grappling with a dark new chapter that no one saw coming. According to multiple sources close to the production team, the incident unfolded during a private filming session intended to capture the family's healing process after months of tension. The scene was never meant to become explosive, but as often happens in the Slayton family dynamic, emotions react. Heat a boiling point. Tammy, who has undergone a dramatic transformation following weight loss surgery and a period of intense physical and emotional rehabilitation, seemed more combative than ever, especially toward Amy. While the two have clashed in the past, over parenting, health issues, and even attention, this time Tammy's accusations carried a tone that went beyond sibling rivalry and hinted at something deeply unsettling. One insider revealed, Tammy was pacing, visibly agitated, and suddenly started yelling that Amy wasn't herself anymore. She said Amy's eyes looked empty and that she could feel a dark presence every time she walked into the room. The accusation didn't stop there. In what many are calling a disturbing and possibly delusional rant, Tammy reportedly claimed that Amy was being controlled by a demonic force, and that she no longer recognized her sister's spirit. "That's not my sister," Tammy allegedly shouted through tears. "That's not Amy. That's something else in her body. I see it when she looks at me. Something's taken over her. I swear it." Family members, including their brother Chris and a shocked production crew, reportedly tried to calm Tammy down. But she was inconsolable. Amy, visibly shaken by the outburst, reportedly broke down crying and left the room. She later refused to return to filming for the remainder of the day. According to a producer who spoke on condition of anonymity, it was one of the darkest moments we've seen. Everyone was worried about Tammy's mental state, but also about how Amy would recover from such an accusation. "You don't come back from your sister publicly calling you possessed." The internet lit up immediately as leaked snippets and behind-the-scenes details started circulating on fan pages and social media platforms. Hashtags like #TammyVsami and #Demonicamy began trending, sparking a wild range of theories, memes, and deep concern among longtime fans. Some viewers speculated that Tammy's outburst may be a side effect of medication or unresolved psychological trauma from her years of health struggles and emotional instability. Others, however, took a more sensational route, with online forums debating whether Tammy's claim had any supernatural basis, citing past family conflicts and unexplained behaviors caught on camera over the years. Meanwhile, Amy has remained mostly silent since the incident, though she posted a cryptic Instagram story shortly after the alleged confrontation. The black screen featured only a single word in white text, "Enough." That simple post has been interpreted by many as a message to both Tammy and the public that she's reached her limit with the ongoing drama, accusations, and toxic energy. Her silence is being seen as strength by many of her supporters, who have rallied behind her with messages of love and prayers for healing. Close friends of Amy have also started to speak out, trying to defend her from the bizarre claim. One longtime friend said, "Amy is a good mother, a good sister, and a good person. She's had a tough year, sure, but who hasn't? To say something like this about her is disgusting and honestly cruel. Tammy needs help." Another insider who's worked with the family for over 3 seasons added, "There's a difference between struggling emotionally and projecting those struggles onto others. Tammy may be hurting, but this accusation is unacceptable." Tammy, for her part, hasn't walked back her statement. In fact, she has doubled down, sharing vague messages on social media that seem to validate her belief. In a now-deleted post, she wrote, "You can't wake people who are pretending to be asleep. The devil comes wearing a smile. Stay protected." The post was accompanied by an old family photo with Amy's face blurred out, causing widespread confusion and renewed speculation. Some followers began to wonder if Tammy is suffering from religious delusions or if she's been influenced by outside spiritual sources who may be feeding into her fears. Experts have started weighing in as well. Dr. Lena Browning, a licensed psychologist and reality TV consultant, told a media outlet, "This kind of language, accusing someone of being under demonic influence, often stems from deep emotional trauma, feelings of powerlessness, or unresolved personal identity crises." Tammy has been through major physical changes, and with that comes psychological adjustment. It's possible she's projecting her own inner turmoil onto those closest to her. These kinds of accusations are rare but not unheard of in extreme cases of stress and emotional instability. The show's producers are reportedly in crisis talks about how to handle the situation. While controversy often drives ratings, there's a growing concern behind the scenes about the mental health of both sisters and the ethical implications of airing such footage. One source said, "There's a fine line between documenting real life and exploiting real pain. We're not sure where this movement falls yet, but it's the most sensitive situation we've ever faced." Fans of the show are deeply divided. Some are calling for TLC to intervene and provide mental health support for Tammy, while others believe Amy deserves a break from the spotlight altogether. Many are demanding the show either go on hiatus or bring in a professional mediator to help the sisters resolve their differences off camera. As one popular fan tweet put it, "We didn't sign up for The Exorcist. We just wanted to see some weight loss and family healing." What is going on? Tammy's dramatic weight loss journey has already put her under intense pressure. She went from being nearly 700 pounds and bedridden to walking independently, undergoing skin removal surgery, and becoming a viral sensation. But with fame comes scrutiny, and some fans believe she may be buckling under the spotlight. Others have raised concerns that Tammy's newfound spiritual obsession, hinted at in recent episodes and online posts, may be influencing her perception of reality. A deeper look into Tammy's recent behavior reveals that she's been increasingly vocal about spiritual warfare, the afterlife, and evil energy. In one live stream, weeks before the outburst, she cryptically said, "Not everyone who smiles at you is clean. You have to be able to see through it. Some people have spirits on them that they don't even know about." At the time, it seemed like vague philosophy, but in hindsight, some now see it as a sign of what was to come. Amy, who has been managing single motherhood, her own weight loss journey, and trying to maintain a normal life for her children, has had limited public reaction to Tammy's spiritual meltdown. However, fans noticed she recently started following several mental health and healing accounts on Instagram, which might be a subtle signal of where her headspace is. A source close to Amy says she is heartbroken and confused, but trying to stay strong for her kids and not let this affect her daily peace. The Slayton sisters have always had a complicated bond. Their history is filled with both love and volatility, a dynamic shaped by childhood trauma, poverty, codependency, and years of unhealthy habits. Still, viewers have always held out hope that their relationship would evolve positively, especially as both began improving their physical health. This latest outburst threatens to undo all of that progress, throwing their future, both personal and on-screen, into question. TLC has yet to issue a formal statement, though multiple outlets report that counseling resources have been offered to the entire Slayton family. Whether those resources are accepted remains to be seen. For now, the network appears to be monitoring fan reactions and determining how to move forward without crossing any ethical lines. Privately, insiders say the footage of the incident may never air in full, but a heavily edited version might be used in a future episode to provide context for the sisters' strained relationship. Meanwhile, fans continue to hold their breath, hoping for resolution and healing between the once inseparable siblings. The Slayton family has overcome monumental challenges before, but this new spiritual twist has taken their story into uncharted and deeply emotional territory. Whether Tammy's accusations were a product of stress, delusion, or something more supernatural is still unclear. What's certain is that this chapter has left an indelible mark on their legacy, and raised serious questions about the mental and emotional toll of reality TV fame. As the dust settles, the world watches closely, waiting to see what happens next. Will the sisters reconcile? Will Tammy retract her shocking claim? Or will this rift mark the permanent end of one of reality television's most complex sibling relationships? Only time, and perhaps therapy, will tell. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.